In this video, I am going to show you how to create a mobile app using chatgpt without writing any code. By the end of this video, we will create a mobile app, test it on the computer and then install it in a mobile device. So let's get started. First of all, open up the browser and open the website chatgpt by clicking here. Now type here the message, create a full function 2D game tic-tac-toe that looks like a mobile app using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and send this message. ChatGPT will write three kinds of code. One HTML file index.html, other CSS code, the style sheet, and the other JavaScript. After it finishes coding, go to another tab and search here for CodePen and open the website codepen.io by clicking here. You will see the window like this. At here, click on this button Start Coding and you will see here three windows, one for HTML, one for CSS and the other for JavaScript. Now go back to ChatGPT and first copy the code that is for HTML and paste it here in HTML section, and the code that is for CSS, copy this one and paste it in this section of CSS, and in the last copy the code that is for JavaScript and paste it in this window. Wait for a few seconds and you will see the output here. Scroll it up from here and you will see the game board. Check it works fine or not. Yes, it works fine. You can see here the message player X wins. You can restart the game by clicking here restart game and check it again. It's a draw. This works fine. Now save this code in local files. First right click here in HTML section and select all, and then right click again and copy. Now open the notepad and in a new file paste the code here. Now save this file by clicking here file, save as, select here all files and name the file index.html. You must name this file name index.html. The other file name does not work, and save the file in a folder. Create here a new folder and name it tic-tac. In this folder save the files. First file is index.html. Save it. Then open a new file and copy this code that is for CSS. Right click here, select all, right click again and copy. Go to notepad and paste it here. Now file, save as, select from here all files and name this file styles.css and save it. Again open a new file and go to the code that is for JavaScript. Right click here, select all, right click again, copy and paste it in the notepad. Now file, save as, select from here all files and name this file script.js. After saving these files, go to the folder, open this file index.html and check this game locally works good or not. Yes, it works fine. Now go back to the folder and compress it to a zip folder. Right click here, send to compressed zipped folder. Now go to browser and open a new tab and search here tiny host and open this website by clicking here. You can see this website's link in the description and upload this zipped folder here. Click here upload and minimize this folder and drag this zipped folder into here. You can see here tic-tac.zip file here. Now name this app. I give it a name tic-tac app and click on publish. In a few seconds it will be published on the internet. You can click here view site and see it online. Yes, it works fine. Now copy this site address from here. Right click here and copy this link. Now go to another tab and search here web into app. Open the website by clicking here. Click on get started and the URL of your page you have copied, paste here. Give a name to your app, tic-tac app, and click on next. Here you can see two options. One is for Android app that is free and the other is for iOS app that is paid. I will choose here Android app and click on make app. Register here by filling these 4 boxes. Now set the icon for your app. Click on set icon and choose the icon. Click open. Now click on make app. Yes, it is done. You can see your app here, tic-tac app version 1.0. Now click this button and download the file. Download free. Download all files zip. After the download completes, go to downloads, right click on the file and click on show in folder. Right click here and click open and then click extraction and click here extract. Now open this folder Android and upload this APK file to Google Drive so that we can install this game on mobile device. For this, go to browser and click here these 9 dots and select from here Google Drive and drag this APK file, drop here. You will see here uploading of file. After upload completes, click on show file. Now go to your mobile device and open the drive in mobile. You can see the file here. Tap on this file. Click on install After finishing the installation, click on Open. Check it. Yes, it works fine. That's all for now. For more interesting videos like this, do subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.